Can't get decent friends, you know. I fly all the way over here and this is how she treats me.
With love.
Have you met my friend? Introduce yourself.
Hi guys, I am Beth. You might know me as Beth Leung over on my channel.
And I'll link it all down below, so if you don't go and watch her, do. They're hilarious. Her and her husband Johnny, who's just sat right over here.
He had to take a thumbnail that took like 5-10 minutes too long.
Oh, we've got visitors! Visitors, Johnny! You have to answer the door because we're nicely positioned here. And
We can't get up.
Yeah, no, we're not cutting this
We're
out.
not
So
moving.
we've now got an added guest.
Surprise.
And our added guest is surprise! You're not
You
going
can feel
anywhere.
that. Oh,
So that's the Mouse Diva, and she's going to open 2 pins as well in a minute. You are.
welcome to the party.
Welcome to the party. So, if you've watched my fairytails pin event, you will have seen all the pins. Well, yes,
Of
but in fact,
course.
it's linked down below. But I've got 6 boxes of these, so we're going to open them today. And Beth, the channel's down below. We were saying until we were so rudely interrupted by Dana that she specialises. It's like a madhouse, my room in this hotel, honestly. She specialises in Chinese pins, Disney unboxings,
Everything. Yeah.
really, really
And cats.
informative.
So we're hoping for cats.
Yeah, and she knows all about these pins. So then, I'll put my glasses on. Do you want to tell everyone what pins we could open? Because I don't know.
I don't know either. I just know there's some cats that I need. There's a Berlioz in here. There are 16 pins in this collection, and half of them are chasers. Though we do know what those are now because Disney messed up with the flyer and showed us a picture of the wrong pins that we were ordering. Surprise, surprise.
But we haven't got that hit. Well, we have got it here, but it's over in a different location. That involves me getting up, turning the camera off and going. But you'll see what beautiful pins we've got. So we have got 6 boxes, 12 pins. We're opening these on my channel, and then we're going to open 4 boxes on Beth's channel. And you can see what sort of pins we get.
Hopefully good ones.
So go on, you can go first.
I'm going first.
You go
I don't like
first.
going first. I hate opening mystery pins. It's so much anxiety.
But this doesn't matter, they're my pins, so it doesn't matter,
But
does
it's
it?
still, what if I open bad pins that you don't want? And I guess, oh, they're in the paper, so I can't guess what
you
they
can't
are.
guess, go on then.
No. All right. Oh my gosh, it's not even sealed.
Oh, it's sealed!
It's not. What is it? Is it? Ah, it's Ka.
They're really, I think
They're
these
really,
are really pretty.
I do, and the size is really nice. I do like. He's not a chaser because he's glittery. Why would you not make?
So the normal ones have got
The normal
glitter.
ones are not. Yeah, normal is glitter. Chaser is not. That's backwards to me.
So
I like the
chaser
glittery
okay.
one.
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
I know. Open one of yours.
No, right,
He's
okay.
cute though. Here.
there we go.
Oh. There we go. So we have Ka. And this is a limited edition. Nope, this is just limited. Oh, limited release.
Limited release, and the chasers must be limited edition.
Yes.
And they are of 450. So 8 chaser pins are limited edition of 450. So,
All right.
which one have I got?
I hope a good one. It's
Basil. So
Aww.
Basil. Is it
I think
Basil?
so.
I think it's Basil. I
Is
think.
it?
I think it's Basil. His name, if it isn't Basil, it is now.
Or is it Trusty?
Is it Trusty? Who's Trusty?
Lady and the Tramp, Jock and Trusty, the Bloodhound.
Might be. I don't know, but it's very pretty.
Data, we need a jury. Which dog, which animal is this?
We don't know. She's lying on my bed.
Oh, this one's sealed. Was yours sealed?
So,
Was that one
yeah,
sealed?
it was sealed.
Okay, so it's just Ka wasn't.
So it wasn't.
Quality control.
Quality control. Right, what's in
Oh
there?
no, just kidding. This one's not sealed. This whole box is not sealed.
Maybe it's an exchange box.
Might be.
Oh,
This is a chaser.
Who is it?
It's a limited edition of 450.
Is
It's
it
the
chaser?
crocodiles. Yeah, this is the chaser. It's not glittery. It's like the sandblasted, like a profile.
So it's the crocodiles from what movie?
Is this from The Rescuer? No. What has...
Dana, what are the crocodiles out of?
We're great here with our Disney characters.
Come and join in the fun. It's lots of fun in this room. We just need beer.
Who are these from?
The rescuers.
Rescuers, right? Okay.
Rescuers,
It is
yeah.
the rescuers. Okay, let's show you guys our little rescuers, crocodiles, alligators, I don't know. Something.
So, next one. Are you sending me luck? We forgot to do the
Yeah.
waves of
Please,
luck.
give us some luck, because, well, Ka's really cute. I think Ka's cute. I want some Aristic. Oh,
I've got Maximus.
you're gonna,
I know
yep,
Maximus.
that's all you want.
But I don't collect Rapunzel anymore.
There we go.
So there's Maximus, and he's
Oh,
not a
he's
chaser.
pretty.
He's very pretty.
That purple glitter.
They're lovely size, aren't they?
They are. They look really nice.
So 4 down.
Oh,
I'm not going to say the magic word. So we no. Where's your box? In my world, we go.
but I put the pins back in here.
Oh.
You don't want me
No,
to
we
do
don't.
Okay, I'll take the pins.
And you have
Take
to
the
throw
pins out.
them. You have to throw them. It's yes.
Does that make the second
Yeah.
box better?
It makes it much better. And we put
Okay.
all the rubbish on the floor.
Okay. That's how I do it when I
the
film.
maid, as in me, has to clean up. So go on.
I think that's how I do it.
Well, if you didn't throw them around, you wouldn't have to clean them.
Oh, this one's
Can you
sealed.
hear? Can you hear the Mouse Diva giving attitude?
This one's sealed. It's more promising. It's probably something good.
Don't throw
Is
them.
it good?
You damaged the box.
He yells at me not to damage pins, but I just do what I want.
Yeah,
Oh.
well,
It's a double already. It's Max. At least it's the cute double. It's not the alligator.
So that's about the only trading pin I'm taking round tomorrow.
It's a good one. Do it.
Yeah, we'll try that. Right, so then, mine, I really want the Aristocats.
Me too.
I'm not liking these
Aristocats.
boxes.
Ugh. Another car.
Yeah. Not good. So I've got 2 of them and 2 Maximus. Right, next.
Oh, is that going to be a double box then? These really were not sealed well. I'm afraid. I don't know what it is.
It's a double box. It's another Bloodhound.
But it can't be a double. Oh
Is
yeah,
it?
it's what you had.
Yeah.
Never mind. And you have probably a double box of what I have, so you
So-
probably have the alligators. But I don't know. Alligators are a chaser, maybe not. Fingers crossed, guys. Oh, that's a cute one.
Oh, I'm absolutely
Oh.
thrilled.
That's the only one we need.
Does that work?
You're bad.
What are we opening? We're opening mystery boxes, and this is what you get when you walk into a room and you don't know they're opening mystery boxes. Okay, this is funny because you got your little muff on top of your thing, and I feel like there's something in the way.
It is.
But it's not.
It's you. You've grown a beard. Looking at the camera.
Does look like
She looks like-
an upside down beard.
Yeah, you look like Father
Yeah.
Christmas.
Yeah,
but
an
grey.
upside down
A little
beard.
ashy.
Okay,
You're not
so
very good at this at all.
well, it
are
was
you?
stuck. It had a, and plus I
She's
don't damage
trying.
the boxes. Like it's not getting
She's not going to
thrown.
throw it on the floor.
It's
Oh,
not-
we've done
this
it.
one's open.
Yeah,
Well,
mine
that
were
was-
all open too.
Oh, were they?
Yeah, hers weren't.
Oh
I got
my
a snake.
golly
God.
I have no idea what they already got
No,
because I wasn't
yeah.
paying attention. I was looking on my phone.
We got 3 snakes.
So we've got another car. That's 3 cars.
Maybe she has an Aristocats then, because you had Aristocats with your car. Fingers
I
crossed.
know what I got or you got. Should I just get up now? Am I going to be like the bad guy?
Oh no.
I don't want to be the bad guy. I don't want to be the bad guy.
You know you want to, really.
I'm the bad guy.
But it's a chaser.
Oh.
People want the chasers at
Oh
least.
dear me! Out of the box, you know, blinking
Oh, you got
good.
one more? Okay. Well, don't give
my
me bad ones. Give me the good ones.
There you go.
What kind
So-
of party is this?
Well, that is so weird. These are closed.
So
We've had no alcohol. We've had no alcohol.
Yeah, the key word there is yet.
I'm done. I'm not playing anymore.
Oh no! Did you look at that?
I looked.
Oh no!
What'd you give me the bad boxes for? I got the exact same thing. They should have like.
These weren't mixed up.
No, that's what I was saying. They should have when they divvied them out, they should have had the bags and they said one for this person, one for this person, one for this person.
You need to bring all of these tomorrow and go swap them out to
you'll
finish
swap
your
them.
set. You have to go trade tomorrow.
There'll be other people.
There's no. She wasn't gonna go do trading tomorrow, but she has to with this.
You put those. Well, you're not taking that big thing. Yeah, you'll be able to trade.
She already
those.
locked it up.
Put them on your lanyard.
The truth is, trading today, my first time, I felt completely out of my depth. The people with books and books and books, and you get your book out, and I thought I bought some really nice pins.
And you did. You have clusters.
Yeah.
But they were trying to maybe trade me for less worth than my pins, and while it might be my first time, I'm not actually green behind the ears, so we'll see. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed being part of Ad Madness. See?
You got Aristocats.
You got a I got a I hope Beth gets it now.
I hope so.
Because if not, I'm under a lot of pressure. Anyway!
You can.
I'm coming for you.
You'll be amazing which ones you'll find tomorrow. You'll be able to trade. Just put them on your lanyard. People will see them.
Yeah, I'll do that. But thanks so much. If you haven't already, go and check these two out. Oh, I talk about Dana, so everyone knows, and the Mouse Diva. I'll link her down below. Yeah, she's crazy, but you've gathered that. Go and check out Beth. She's funny. Well, anyone friends with me has got to be crazy. It's a prerequisite. Yeah, we're going to.
Good point.
Yeah.
Check us all out. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much, everyone. I'm going to go because they're going to make me crack up. So be good, be kind, take care of yourselves. I'll see you soon. Bye.